Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML 350 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, Formatic, Mercedes-Benz and ML 350 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle 124,978. Do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Mercedes-Benz shifter, steering wheel controls, climate controls, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.